In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly translate text in Google Sheets using a simple formula. This technique is incredibly useful if you're working with multilingual datasets, or you just need to translate some text quickly without leaving your spreadsheet. To get started, open your Google Sheet, and first, you need to select an empty cell where you want the translated text to appear. For our demonstration, let's choose cell E1, but feel free to select any cell that suits your layout. It's best to have a clear and organized sheet to make sure everything lines up correctly and is easy to manage. Next, we'll begin typing the formula. Start by typing Google Translate, which initiates the function. This formula is straightforward and is designed to help you translate text from one language to another. You'll notice that as you type, Google Sheets will often provide suggestions and autofill options, which can be quite handy, so take advantage of these features to make your work smoother. Now, you'll add the text that you want to translate. To do this, simply click on the cell that contains the text you wish to translate. For example, if your text is in cell D1, clicking on D1 will add that reference to your formula. This is a dynamic way to link the specific data you want to translate, ensuring that any changes made to your source text will automatically update the translation. Following the selection of your text, you need to specify the source language. This is easier than it sounds. Just add a comma and then type the two-letter language code in quotes. For instance, if your original text is in English, you type N. If you're not too familiar with language codes, a quick online search can provide you a comprehensive list. However, if you're unsure of the source language or if it's mixed, you can simply let Google handle it by typing auto. Alternatively, you might choose to omit this code entirely, and Google will attempt to detect the language for you. After specifying the source language, it's time to tell the function which language you'd like to translate into. Do this by adding another comma followed by the two-letter code of the desired language. So, if you want French, you'd type FR for French. Finally, close the parenthesis and press Enter. The translated text should now appear in the cell you initially selected, in this case, E1. This method is both efficient and seamless, allowing you to focus on analyzing your data rather than worrying about language barriers. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've successfully automated translations within your Google Sheets, saving you time and effort on your projects. Keep exploring these features, and soon you'll wonder how you managed without them. Thanks for tuning in, and happy translating!